RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das has reiterated and made another statement on the fuel tax reduction. Das says that there is a need for coordinated action between the centre and the states to reduce taxes. He further says that he is sure that the state and the central government will take positive decision in a coordinated manner. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das has reiterated and made another statement on fuel tax reduction. Das said that there is a need for coordinated action between centre and states to reduce taxes, and therefore he expects that there will be better coordination in this regard. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das reiterated this, saying that there is a need for closer coordination to reduce taxes. He said that he's sure that state and central government will take a positive decision in a phased manner. Let me go across to Avni Raja joining me with more inputs. Yes, Avni, over to you. What do we make of this statement? Is the RBI governor now putting the onus equally on the states as much as the centre in order to bring the fuel prices down?
Yes, that's right, Frida. And it's also very important to note here that this is the second time that the Reserve Bank of India governor is talking about bringing down fuel prices. Earlier as well, the Monetary Policy Committee minutes that were released on the credit policy meet that happened. In that also he categorically stated the same thing, that the centre and states both need to come together in a coordinated manner and bring down the prices as far as fuel is concerned, and that the taxes, also pointing out that the taxes on fuel are very high. And it is important because it's adding to the inflationary pressures in the economy. And now, once again, we're seeing him reiterate pretty much the same thing, saying that they understand, the RBI understands that there is revenue issues as far as the government is concerned. But the fact is that coordinated effort by the centre and states needs to happen to bring down fuel prices at this point, largely from a macro point of view as well.
Okay, thanks for joining us, Avni, with that quick update.